Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech with Ashwant. So in this video, let us understand how to get 50% off on any of the Databricks certifications. Alright, so as you can see on screen, Databricks is running a virtual learning festival starting from 10th of October till 31st of October 2025. So you can learn, level up and get rewarded during these days. So they are celebrating learning, growth and career advancement with an exciting opportunity to level up in data engineering, data analysis, machine learning and generative AI. So you can start off and get benefited out of it. And one important thing I wanted to highlight in this particular video is that users who complete at least one self-paced learning pathway within the customer academy between 10th of October till 31st of October. So you will receive 50% off on any Databricks certification and 20% off on an annual Databricks Academy lab subscription. So you can check out the full details on the FAQ page. If you have any questions, you can reply to this thread in this particular post, and a Databricks employee will respond to your questions as well. And you need to note that the rewards will be emailed to your address that is linked to your Databricks Academy account by early November after the event has been concluded. So you can see the list of all the pathways that are available and you can get started. For example, associate data engineering side. So you can complete the 4 modules from the data engineering learning path, like data ingestion with Lakeflow Connect, deploy workloads with Lakeflow jobs, build data pipeline with Lakeflow declarative pipelines, data management and governance with Unity Catalog, and so on and so forth. And you can also start off with the professional data engineering side, where Databricks streaming and Lakeflow declarative pipelines, Databricks data privacy, performance optimization, automated deployment with Databricks asset bundles. So DABs are also there. So all these things you can learn with this particular pathway. Similarly, for machine learning, they have a different set of pathway, and for Apache Spark developers, they have a different pathways as well. So you can choose between depending on your interest and get started with this. I just wanted to let the channel members know that this is an available opportunity and you can grab this one. So if you see here, there are a lot of questions, and one of the Databricks employee will be answering to all of your questions, if not all, at least the important ones which are not answered in the FAQ. So do check out this page. Let me know if I want to continue with the Databricks playlist, because I did not see so much of interaction on the Databricks videos that I've created. So I'll continue to do my job. I'm not doing it for getting a view or something. So I just want to share my knowledge which I have, on the areas which I know. All right. So do comment down, and also I'll provide the link to this virtual learning festival in the description box below. Please read through it once, and then only then if it's applicable to you, go ahead, subscribe to this, and then start learning it. So even I'll try to create more and more Databricks related videos in the future. So if you are liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share it with your friends. Thank you, and I will see you in another video with another exciting opportunity. Until then, bye.